Hello everyone! Let's talk about how we may generate video files with FinalMesh. Firstly, let's open a file with animation. I'll use this very simple file with a bounced worm. I want to point out that this file has an animation. I may drag the animation slider to preview the animation or use the play button. The result is visible in 3D viewport. Okay, nice, but how do we save this to a video file? Let's click on this film strip icon. The high-quality rendering panel is open now. We may choose which viewport should be rendered. By default, the current 3D viewport will be used, and I'm fine with that for now. I may select a renderer from PBR or Naive Ray Tracer. I'll use Naive Ray Tracer for this demonstration, just because it is much faster. I may select the desired frame size and probably rendering options using the menu and buttons. For now, I'll use default values. Now I may click on the Render button. The active scene will be rendered to an image, and we may check desired lighting, shadows, and overall quality. Okay, this is a single image. Now I'll render the whole animation. To do this, I'll click on the drop-down arrow of the Render button and select Render Animation. Animation is processed, and this may take some time, so just wait. Frames of animation are visible as sub-items of the main animation thumbnail. Again, I may check the generated images if I want to. Now, I'm going to save this as a video file. How can I do this? Easy. I may select an animation thumbnail and click on the File button in the top right corner of this panel. There is a Save as Video File menu command. After selecting this command, I may select MP4 as the type of video file and type the name of the file. Now, the Save button should finish this process. I'm going to open the folder where the video file should be. Yes, it is already here. Let's click on it and check what we got. The video is played in the media player. Nice. Please note, we may save animation as a set of image files and combine them later. Also, there are plenty of options that were not covered in this short tutorial. That's all for now, and see you in the next videos.